Myrteola Nummularia. That is what I'm reviewing today. I just like saying it. Myrteola Nummularia. I'm probably saying it wrong, but it's, yeah. I also haven't been able to find a local name for it, but it is a South American fruit. You can get it in Bolivia, in Chile, in the Falkland Islands. But yeah, I don't know that much about it, but it was sent to me very kindly by Matt and Megan in Seattle, who have a nursery, wanderlustnursery.com. If you want to get this plant yourself, they have it available, I believe, on their website in the description below. But I'm excited about this one because it's supposed to taste really good, according to Matt. He said it's delicious, supposed to taste like a little sugar bomb, he said. And it's also really, really rare. It's related to the Chilean Guava that he also gave me last year. They look very similar, and when he sent it to me, I said, "Oh, you already gave me this one last year." He's like, "No, this is different. They're in the same family, not the same genus." And the genus that this is, Myrteola, is pretty rare. On Wikipedia, they only list 3 species in it, so pretty cool. So Chilean Guava, if I remember correctly, tasted a little bit like strawberry candy. Let's see. First, I'm going to start with this one here. There's some in here that look a little bit green, and there are some that look a little bit red. So I'm going to try the ones that look red. I'm actually going to take 3 of these. I know they're very tiny, probably not going to get focused on so easily, but I'm going to take 3 of these little ones. I'm going to try these all at once. A little bit herbal, but they do have a similar taste to the Chilean Guava. They taste a little bit like strawberry candy, but there's something else in there. And it's like whatever that herbal taste is. Maybe a touch of like lemon peel, but they're not sour. It's got a similar taste to lemon peel, but not the sourness of it. The sourness I'm going to put at a 0. There's no tartness to it at all. I'd say the sweetness is less than an apple, like a 3 out of 10. I think they do get sweeter. I think if these were maybe a little bit riper, maybe they would be a little bit sweeter. But already they're pretty sweet. This reminds me of an herbal tea, like sleepy time tea. It's like if you were to make a cup of sleepy time tea and put like a little bit of, put like a strawberry in it and a little bit of lemon rind. It's kind of what it's like. It's got a nice herbal taste. So I was sent some more of these, the Myrteola Nummularia. These ones are fully ripe, so I'm going to take a nice little handful and see if it's much different. Stronger in flavor. Tastes the same, maybe a little cleaner in taste, a little bit less of that forage fruit kind of flavor. Still has a little bit of that taste, but you're getting more sweetness out of it. I'd say the sweetness on this is pretty high. I'd say like a 7 out of 10. And also has that subtle blueberry, strawberry-ish kind of flavor that the ones I had before were like. The ones I had before were pretty good. These ones, even better. When I had the Chilean Guava, I was shocked that this is not a commercially available thing. I think maybe in some parts of South America you can get it at the market, but it's pretty rare. It's got a unique taste to it, but also would fit very well with what we already like. It's not too crazy of a flavor. It seems like a very natural berry to want to pick and eat. And that was the Chilean Guava. This one, a little bit different in flavor, but that still holds true, that if this were available at a supermarket, I would buy it. It's something that could exist alongside the berries that we have available. If this was given like a good marketing name, and it was available at supermarkets, people would buy it. Like, this is a good idea. I think this could exist very easily at a supermarket. But it doesn't, and this one is super rare. So I'm happy to have gotten the chance to try this. Matt, Megan, thank you so much for sending this to me, and to everybody else. If you grow fruit and you want to grow this one, check out their website in the description below. I believe this is available, so you can get it, and they will ship it to you, and you can grow it yourself. And yeah, I think that's about it. So I will see you all next time. Bye-bye. I want to give a special shout out to AltPod and Smarter Every Day. They are mega patrons over on patreon.com. Patreon is how this channel happens. It's how I can afford to do all the things that I do. So if you want to help me out by supporting the channel and getting some bonuses along the way, check out the description. I also have these shirts for sale. Those are in the description as well. See you next time. Bye.